So Lily wants me to vlog more because I don't do it enough. So I'm going to tell you about the boat behind me because that's very interesting. The boat way over there, it's getting loaded with like 40,000 tons of scrap metal to get put down the turkey to make in the rebar. And that bridge is going up to let the crab and lobster boats back in. And I'm still trucking. So that's my day. Oh, and this Friday this bridge opens up. I can't wait for that bridge to open up because the other bridge on the side of it is about to collapse. Seriously, it's like emergency construction going on. And that's all I gotta say. Until next time.
It's not bad though. Anyways, where are we going?
Kim's sister's house, Candy.
Yep. It's like 100 degrees out today. It doesn't show the temperature in this car, but and we're sitting in traffic.
With Maseratis.
It's really nice.
It's gorgeous.
So yeah, we're gonna go grill and go by the pool. Can't even hear me because the exhaust is so loud. It's really nice.
It's gorgeous.
So yeah, we're gonna go.
It's so serious. It's so serious.
Inspired.
Huh?
Good to know I created.
Yeah, it has limit.
Do you know that this is filming for ItsLillysLife? And you totally just use...
Just edit that out.
So hot. It's so hot. It's ridiculous. It's like 93 degrees. I said, not today. I'm not touching those cans. Let someone else deal with this overflowness. This is block 6 now. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, actually, this is block 5. 5 and 6. 6 is down there. 5 is right here. It's coming out real nice though.
Hey guys, happy Friday! I'm just sitting here at Lauren's house. I'm waiting for Kim and her to get here. They went shopping. Kim's gonna do my nails. She's probably gonna put shellac on, and yeah. Then we're gonna head down to Steve's house and have dinner with him. Porter's gonna get off the train near Steve's house, and we're gonna have dinner. Typical Friday routine, picking up Porter. But I'm excited to see Steve. I haven't seen him like all week. It's crazy. But yeah, just sitting here. I picked up these, here I'll show you, Revlon Just Bitten Lip Stain. Excuse my nails. Yeah, they are the, what do they say on here? They say Revlon Just Bitten Kissable Balm Stains. I got it in the color Sweetheart and the color, what is this? It's hard to do with one hand. This is Love Struck. Oh, it's on the duh. Anyhow, I love these things. They're like my favorite things. I got both of the colors on my lips right now. But I love them because they're like so easy. They stay on your lips all day long and they're beautiful. They're moisturizing. You literally, I don't have to bring anything else with me when I am like out or anything and I don't want to carry a pocketbook, because I definitely a lot of the times never bring a pocketbook with me. I'm definitely a girly girl, but I'm still the town boy. I like to move around. I don't like to be holding a big old purse all the time when I'm out. So I don't know, is the air conditioner like blowing on the camera? I hope not. But anyways, this is great because it eliminates bringing a lip gloss, bringing a lipstick, and all that type of stuff, lip balm. You just have to bring these. I absolutely love these. Kim has the Tarte one and we love it. Like anytime we go anywhere, she knows she needs to bring that, and that's basically the only thing we bring, and I love them. So I was so excited to hear that Revlon came out with them. They're basically the same exact thing. They're just like a, if you haven't seen them before, I'm gonna do like a review on my main channel, but if you haven't seen them, they look almost like a crayon, but they're very glossy and moisturizing, which is great. And I'm curious to see how much product is in these. So as you can see, you also don't have to sharpen it, which is really nice. But the tube is always way bigger than the actual product, so I'm just curious. I think that's about it. I don't want to break it, yeah. But that's a decent amount of product, you know? Kim has had her Tarte one for a long time, and we haven't used that up. So, love these. I'm so excited about them. I'm a little makeup nerd, but I love them. They smell like peppermint, too. They have like a really refreshing scent to them, yeah. So, that's it. You guys ever heard of this? Wine in a bottle? It's delicious. We're at Lauren's house. Ugh. She's tricky. I love her kitchen. Like, it's the most gorgeous kitchen ever. Love it.
You know what they have on tap?
I don't know, but I'll get it like painted on
No problem. Even though it's just...
It's all good.
Lobster is so good.
Fries with that. That's mine? Yeah. I'll eat it.
Fries. Let's see what this is.
Wanted, and there's fries.
What's that, truffle sauce? For...
Yeah, we're just gonna
test that.
It looks amazing. Take some peppers raw.
That is amazing.
Probably whatever you want it to be.
What do you think, Chef? I'm not sure yet because I got little crumbs.
Just looking at that is killing me.
Kahlua, amaretto, Bailey's, coffee, and whipped cream.
You guys haven't seen that in a while. We haven't had that in a while.
Am I missing anything?
Coconut creme brulee.
Yeah, coconut creme brulee.
Oh, scrap it.
Green label? Is it
I'm getting a green one.
Green is good.
Oh my god.
I thought I only had black.
Wow.
Black, I think you want to spend buku down.
Oh really? Try this, Jenna.
What happened with
Can't wait for you to see that picture.
Sideways, sideways.
She didn't do the canoe. Canoe it.
Dinner was delicious.
Custom Spizikes.
Now what do you got? It's like the Friday shipment of shoes.
Yeah, always at every Friday.
So show what you got this Friday.
Some Spizikes, one of a kind.
One of a kind. Did you design those?
I did. These are made by Porter.
What are you doing, babe?
Red Bull from the Red Bull fridge. Look at this. Red Bulls and Jordans. And Ceci purple dresses.
My purple dress. It's comfy.
Of course, every wedding. Just dance. That's pretty good.
It's alright, just dance and be okay.
It's day one of wedding music.
No, this is gonna be a good one because we're all gonna be drunk dancing to this song right here. I picture everyone wasted, like tripping. You should have all the guys dance to this.
Yeah, everyone in line is. I can see Gary going sick to this.
Love Justin Bieber's new CD. Don't hate. It's Saturday. It's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I just got out of work. I'm at Kim's house. I'm going to go wake her up. We have to get ready for the concert tonight. So excited. Let's go see if she's still sleeping. I told them you were sleeping.
As soon as I curled my hair, got ready last night, down.
Oh, it's so hot. It's like 100 degrees today. Back to trucking. It's like 120 degrees inside my truck. Brutal today. Sad I missed a horse. He holds my paperwork. Let's roll.
And ready time. I love how you both have the same exact palette that you're using right now. Ah, here's mine.
If you see my toes right now, you'd laugh. Like they're like this. My toes.
Allie, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Going for a ride.
Yeah.
I need to drink more water. Do I look young like you guys? You look so young.
I look like I have puke color shorts, so.
You don't.
Yes.
You didn't want to.
Well, I have to have something.
Should I wear my glasses too? Yes! Wear your glasses! No, because then I'm gonna lose them, and I really don't want to lose them. But I could put them in my fanny pack. So there you go. Take it. Please.
Look at Lauren.
Excuse me. Oh my god, look at the rest of the mirrors too. Hi. You look so bright.
Where are you headed today?
Kaskade.
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 Guess what I do for adventure? I hang right on a Dorito. Guess what I use as a pin? I use a pin, but it takes a whole family. I'm afraid to drink soda because I'm afraid the bubbles will make me float up on top.
Drinking.
Take this. Oh, whoa. $9?
$9 to $12 beers here. Oh my god.
That's a lot of porta potties.
Yo,
Holy
look
shit.
how much the beers are.
$12 a beer?
$12 a beer. Stop! Oh shit!
Fucking best thing ever!
Sunday fun day, and we're at Steve's, cooking on the grill.
The grill, the breeze, the beer.
Yummy.